going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably know what this upload is going to be about. We're going to be putting Powerstop brakes on the Titan today. It's needed brakes for a while now, and I've just been slacking. But now it's... Hold on a second, Yeah, I'm still using this. It's out of inspection. So I kind of got to do it now. But yeah, it's 62 degrees, so let's get a cold start on the Titan real quick. Alright, so I don't really know how I'm going to do this video, if I'm going to do a how-to or not. Probably not, because there's millions of them on YouTube. I don't need to do one. But it's also, I don't know if you can see the willow there, but maybe. It's kind of windy. It's pretty windy. Look at these bushes right here. It's pretty windy, so I'm probably not going to do too much talking. It'll be time-lapse mostly, but I have quite a bit of stuff to do. I guess I'll make this video all about the Titan. So we'll do Powerstop brakes, the rotors and pads, and then I turned the camera around, and then the halos don't work and my fog lights don't work, so I'm gonna try to fix that, maybe, if I have enough time. And maybe we'll wire in the switch down here for, so there's an empty space right here for the light bar that I have right now. I just have it wrapped around the e-brake because I don't know where to put it, and that's a pain in the butt. So I have a switch that fits right in here. Well, maybe I'll wire that one up if I have the time. It's 9 a.m. I'm gonna run to the store real quick and get some go-go juice. Monster. Alright, first things first, we gotta get the lug nuts off. I got my tool. I'm gonna try to use that. I don't know if it's gonna be strong enough to take them off or not, but about to find out. Alright, it's not strong enough to take those off, so time for a wrench. Alright, breaker bar time. Alright, you get the idea. Alright, tires off. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this, but the rotor's not too bad on this side, and the pad still looks like pretty new. I don't know if you guys can even see that in there. It's right here though. But anyway, and then you look on this side, the rotor's almost hitting the caliper right here, like really close. Actually might be at some points because this rotor's warped. But anyways, and then on this side, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but right here it's gouged in, and then it comes up and it's gouged in like this area here. You can see that it's definitely not right. So alright, so there it is, it's off. I just like to put it off to the side so brake line doesn't pull off. And we don't need this right now. I mean, we will shortly, but there you see on the left side there, that pad, how close it is to the rotor, or the rotor. The caliper, it's like right there. And I'm pretty sure the rotor was rubbing on the caliper there, but that should be good. I don't know if you guys can see it any better this way, now that I can stick my head in here. Maybe. Yeah, you guys can see it. So right here, that groove is like 10 times deeper than right here. And that's probably what was making it squeal. That's not good either. Awesome. Alright guys, so here's the new one. The Powerstop one. And here's the old one. Now that it's off, you can definitely see where that gouge was. That's freaking bad. But anyways, just compare them real quick. I'm just kind of flipping it over and showing you. Not really going to explain anything because it's a rotor, so, you know, not much to explain. Except for the fact that these ones are drilled and slotted. And they are carbon fiber ceramic pads. So they should be better than whatever crap is in there. Alright, I didn't film taking the shoes out. Pads, shoes, whatever you want to call them. But pretty much all I did was use the screwdriver, pop them out. It's simple. But anyways, like I said, these pads don't look too bad. They still have a lot of life on them. But this one is jacked up, so gonna replace them. And also, I'm probably gonna replace this caliper fairly soon because of that. But not today. So when you get your Powerstop brakes, if you buy it in the kit with the rotor and the pads, you will get new clips, which I probably won't use because these I don't feel like taking out and they're still in there. So yeah, you get those. You get these little rubbers for here and here, and obviously on the passenger side, which I didn't need to take them out, so I'm not going to. And you also get lube and shoes and rotors. So you literally get everything. But like I said, I'm not going to use it all because I don't need to. So time to put it back together. So I forgot something. When I started putting it back together, I forgot I need C-clamps to squeeze the freaking caliper back apart. And I don't have any here, so yeah, I guess I'm walking to go get them. It's only a mile, so whatever. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. You got a C-clamp, and I brought that's actually like correct tools for this, but I'm not going to use them because I don't know. Anyway, yeah, C-clamp. So I'm going to compress them, put the pads back in, put it back together. Alright, I got it all back together. Like I said, not really going to film a whole lot because of the wind noise, but you guys get the idea. And if you don't, just search how to brakes and rotors. It'll teach you. But yeah, that's that. Put the tire on, lug nuts, and move to the other side. Alright, I got the driver's side all done. And like I said, I'm probably not going to film too much else, but they look freaking sick behind there. I mean, you can't really see them too much because I have baby rims, but you know, it is what it is. Alright, I'm going to get the rest of them done and go break them in. So I got the other passenger front done. The other passenger front. There's only one passenger front. Got the other front side done. If you're wondering, the back is just a little bit different. It's just this bolt here and this one right here, and then you slide the caliper off, brakes come out, brake shoes come out, and you'll be able to take the rotor off. The bracket right here clears it, so you just pull it right off and change it. Never fails. Every single time I break something, and it's something I need. The adapter and the 10 mil. The only 10 millimeter I could find Alright, all 4 of them are done, back together, ready to rock and roll. Pretty soon I'm going to need new calipers because they're all pretty crappy, but that's next time. So now, I'm going to work on the lights like I said. When I hit the deer a while back, the halos haven't worked since, and the fog lights sometimes. So I already messed with it a little bit. This wire goes over there somewhere, over here somewhere, and that's for the fog lights. So I gotta take the headlight out, go from there. Alright, so I fixed the fog lights. I did not fix the halos. I don't know what the problem is. They're plugged in and all that, so they might just be defective. It's a good possibility they're spiders, so not exactly the highest quality. But anyway, fog lights work, so that's good. I'll show you guys that real quick. And then we're going to try to hook up, to take this plug here off. Well, plug, yeah, you know what I mean. Button for the light bar. Couldn't think there for a second, so anyway, yeah, I'm going to take that off, and I have one that fits in that blank spot right there. Gonna attempt to do that. Yeah, let's show you guys the fog lights, even though you've seen them before, but they work now, so just like they did when I first put them in. Alright, as you can see, fog lights are on. Halos still don't work even with the truck running. The 4 LEDs in there work, and parking light. I don't have a bulb in this side because why would I? Anyways, fog light, no halos. The 4 LEDs, these 2 on this side right here don't line up with the holes, but whatever. Parking light, blah blah blah. You get the idea. So, if you're curious on how bees, I swear they're everywhere. Anyway, get out of here. If you're curious on how this piece comes off, it's separated right here. Get out of my face, bee. Pretty sure if I remember right, it's this screw, one over here, and then this part just pops off, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, I don't remember, but we'll figure it out. Ooh, almost dropped you there. I was right, it's just those 2 screws on the bottom, and then it just pulls right off. Yeah, here it is. These, well, I already popped this one out. This was the blank. They just literally push in there, and they clip in the top and bottom. I already got these ones loose too, but I can see this one. Oop. It's gonna make me a liar. There, see, it just comes out. See the little clip on the top? And there's one on the bottom that just pops right in there. This one here is an aftermarket one. It's for the fog lights. And I'm hoping that the one for the light bar works the same. Alright, so there was a plug right here to here, and then it came off over to the existing switch. So I just cut them off a little longer like that. And like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kind of winging it and hoping that it works. So the switch that I got has, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it has 7 prongs on it, and I've only got 4 wires, so I honestly have no idea. I know that this black one here is the ground, so I can probably assume this one up here, so it's going to come out black here also, is going to be, like I said, the ground. The red one here runs back to, well, it turns to black here, but anyways, runs to my power on my amp, so it comes on with the switch. And yeah, I'm not sure on this what ones are what. I'm gonna guess that the middle is probably the ground, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I could not get that freaking plug to work, so yeah, this one, it's a on off, but with all those, I literally freaking hooked power up to every single one and the ground, and you know, tried every combination, and I didn't get anywhere except for a burnt finger. Yeah, so I just hooked it all back up, and I drilled a hole in the blank and got some 3M tape, and I'm gonna put this probably right below like where this plug goes. So let me get it back together and I'll show y'all. Alright, I got it all back together. I don't know whether to put it down here or up here. I mean, up there it's upside down, but I can push the wires in and make it a little bit more flush, kinda. Whereas down here, I mean, I can make it flush, but you know. So anyways, I'm waiting for Instagram to respond, and I'll be back with you in a while. Somebody's hungry too, so I'll be back. Alright, so there's the switch. Right is white, left is amber, orange, whatever color you want to call it. I guess that doesn't stick out too bad. I can probably push it in a little bit farther too. Yeah. So that's not too bad. At least it's not down here anymore. And I can still get to the fog lights and the back window that I never roll down back there. If you guys like the content, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Check me out on Instagram at @justanother_car dude.